Right then, more tinkering. So I made this, you might have seen this switch panel before, but this is a switch panel that was in the car previously, but modified it slightly. Honeywell switches now rather than cheap eBay ones, and I've also got some RGB LEDs. It's a little bit messy, but I just couldn't be bothered waiting for circuit boards to be manufactured, so I just used some proto board and just made a little bit of a mess soldering and wiring it together, however it works. So that's okay for now. It's just wired into a DTM connector, which plugs into my CAN teensy Arduino thing. I'm not quite sure what it is. It does like a lot of things, but and as you'll see. So let's just plug it in. Try to do this one-handed. Oh, of course, plugs the one way around. Plug her in. So again, it's still connected up to the PMU. So if we switch everything on, see we get some RGB LEDs, and then if I switch the ignition on, it goes red. We get a buzz from the PSU, and ECU switches on, and the PMU knows that that's switched on through a CAN input. Quite simple really. It switched off, goes back to green. It's just a demo. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with the LEDs, but we can get them to pulse, and I don't know, they're addressable LEDs, so I can do anything with them really. Even set them as warnings if if the, I don't know, I'll figure something out, I'm sure. For now they'll go red when they're switched on. And that's it really. The only other update is I 3D printed this little enclosure for the CAN thing. I don't know what I need to come up with a name. It's a CAN switchboard currently, but it's not a CAN switchboard. So it does other things. But anyway, that sits in there. I need to CNC a carbon fibre lid. I designed it. I just need to do the cam and then dust off the CNC router this weekend and hopefully get that finished. And it's just a case of running the loom. So yeah, making good progress. Hopefully I have an update at the weekend. Cheers.